As you can see, today is wash day. So I just got done taking out my braids and now I'm just detangling my hair with my fingers, and I'm using the African Pride pre-shampoo to just kind of help me detangle and prepare to shampoo my hair. This product makes wash day so much easier. The Mielle one is also very good. It's just a little bit smaller, so I use this one because I can get more use out of it. But yeah, so I'm just finger detangling and I'm sectioning it off as I go. Alright, so while I let this pre-poo sit, I'm going to unbox my new steamer from Temu. I got this steamer from Temu and I want to try it for the first time. So it's basically just a cap. Ooh, a cap with a cord. But yeah, it looks like the low setting on it. That is from Temu. Get out. I really don't know the link. I don't have the link. So if I do find it, I'll put it in the description and I'll put a picture of the one I got. Alright y'all, so I'm finally washing my hair out and I'm using the Mielle pomegranate and honey shampoo. And now you see I'm going in with the sea moss gel hair mask that I've been waiting to try. Yay! And it actually did my hair really good. I liked it because I love gels, like I've been saying. But yes, it did good. Okay, so now it's time to try the steamer. And y'all, I thought it was gonna be steam coming out and everything, but it just gets kind of warm. But it actually works and you'll see the results afterwards. But I would say sit under probably about 30 minutes just to be safe. But yeah, see, my hair came out bouncy. It worked. Now I am about to wash this out and then I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner that I am excited to try, which is the mango and tulsi, as you see. And as you can probably tell, I work most products in the same way. I usually finger detangle them in. So that's what I'm doing now. Just kind of finger detangling and working in the leave-in conditioner. Which I usually don't use cream products after I wash my hair because it turns my hair white, as you can see. But this one, after it sits for a little bit, it soaks in. So it's not bad. I kind of liked it. Hey guys, so it is a few days later and I'm just basically coming back to show you guys the difference between these two products, the ones that I used on wash day, which is the mango and tulsi leave-in conditioner and the pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse. Yeah, a few days later I kind of decided to try the pomegranate and honey cold sculpting custard and the mango and tulsi nourishing silk texture mousse. So I tried these two together and that's what I've been using for the last few days. I really like these two better. So I think these are the winners. This is kind of like jelly. It's like a gel. So yeah, like I've been saying, this works. This one I feel like it's kind of stickier, if that makes sense. So it just kind of holds the curls better. So this is what I have in my hair right now. Alright, and I'm gonna take the front now because I've just been chilling. And shrinkage is always going to be real for me, so that's it. So yeah, I just thought I would come back and let you guys know that those two kind of just work better for me. But I will definitely suggest that you try those other two, the leave-in conditioner and the other mousse, to just see if it works better for you, because it could. It's not a bad combo. Like I said, once I run out of that, I'm going to probably go back to that. Well, I'm probably going to put my hair in a protective. But that's the end of this video. And if you want to see more like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any products that you suggest, let me know, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and I came back to say I still didn't trim my ends, so don't be looking at my ends. Don't judge the products by my ends.